वेलकम टू श्वेता's ब्लॉग। तो आज मैं सुपर से रेडी हो चुकी हूँ, फुल रेड जेटक रेड से। तो वी आर गोइंग टू एक्सप्लोर ए न्यू प्लेस एज यूजुअल। आज हम जा रहे हैं NH275 पे, क्योंकि दिस प्लेस विच आई एम गोइंग राइट नाउ, मैं जब भी जाती थी इस ओर से, आई यूज टू फील आई शुड एक्सप्लोर दिस प्लेस। सो दिस इज फिल्टर, इट इज ऑन बैंगलोर मैसूर हाईवे। सो जब भी हम मैसूर जाते थे तो आई यूज टू सी दिस प्लेस एंड थिंक दैट आई शुड कम हियर समडे, बिकॉज वेन एवर आई सी दिस प्लेस वॉज जैम पैक्ड विथ पीपल। तो अब देख ही सकते हो कितना द एरिया इज सो मच बिग। आई थिंक इट्स ऑलमोस्ट 1+ acres. So what I feel good about this is ये ग्रीनरी से भरा हुआ है एंड इट लुक्स रियली फैब। तो आई रियली वांटेड टू एक्सप्लोर दिस प्लेस एंड दिस इज द एंटायर पार्किंग फॉर दिस प्लेस। तो इतना बड़ा पार्किंग है। सो बिफोर व्हेन आई यूज्ड टू सी दिस, दैट एंटायर पार्किंग यूज्ड टू बी फिल्ड, क्योंकि this was a hookah cafe before. So it was called Filter Hookah Cafe, but as Karnataka government banned hookah, so it has become just Filter Cafe now. So जब हुक्का था तो ये पूरा जो पार्किंग था भरा पड़ा हुआ होता था एंड वीकेंड्स में यहाँ पे इतना क्राउड होता था। आई यूज्ड टू फील लाइक how this many people are here. So now actually because of that ban, you can see very less crowd, because it has become just a normal cafe now. But I wanted to explore this because it looks really fab. तो आप देख ही सकते हो कितना अच्छा दिख रहा है एंड we are getting down the stairs to explore this place. So as soon as you enter, you will get that good vibe of greenery. तो मुझे तो बहुत ही अच्छा लगा, as you can see, and yes, we are going to explore now. So जैसे ही हम आते हैं, when we get down and on the right side, this place is there. So it's a cafe, inner seated inside. So if you want to have a private जैसे कि if you want to sit inside and have coffee, so यहाँ पे आ सकते हो. This is also a very big cafe room. So this is how it looks and this has 2 entrance, एक exit यहाँ से भी कर सकते हो, यहाँ से भी कर सकते हो, and there is a kitchen also. So yes, this is a kind of cafe. कैफे के अंदर कैफे बोल सकते हो. So that is how it is. And अब हम यहाँ से जा रहे हैं और अंदर where the real place is there. So जैसे हम जा रहे हैं, we are exploring, you can see lot of wall paintings which are very good and beautifully done. So this is the wall of the cafe I went inside. So यहाँ से भी आप जा सकते हो and you can see the greenery. So वहाँ से जो मैंने अभी दिखाया वो एंट्री से आप बाहर भी आ सकते हो. Next to that is the restroom and there is some I don't know what tank type. It's not accessible, so I didn't went there. So ये है attraction. So this is the pathway. And I really like the pathway they have made with the stone pebbles. So it looks really nice and this is how it looks from the where we came. So इस साइड से ऐसा दिखता है एंड दिस साइड से ऐसा. सो एक्चुअली दिस स्क्वायर जो स्टोन्स है लगाया गया है पाथवे पे, इट इज़ वेरी नाइस एंड एज एडेड है यू नो नेचुरल ये जो होता है ना, वो यू विल फील दैट एज इफ यू आर वॉकिंग ऑन ए पेबल्स लाइक दैट. सो इट इज़ वेरी नाइस. मुझे तो बहुत ही अच्छा लगा, बट वी शुड बी वेरी केयरफुल बिकॉज that might be uncomfortable as well if you wear heels. And you can see My kids are busy in taking cute pictures because ये जो pathway पे light लगा हुआ है, it is very nice and all the pictures are coming really beautiful, so they are like aesthetic pictures ले रहे हैं and मेरा भी हो चुका है, so I am just waiting for them to finish. So we are moving on and this pathway looks really nice with all this ये जो जैसे कि creeps है, तो I really liked it and the stones also, as I said, can be good and can be bad also if you wear pencil heel or pointed heel like that. So it's better you wear something like block heel or something which will be more comfortable to walk. Boots or shoes will be even more better. So yes, this is a long walk or that is the main place to explore. And यहाँ पे भी शुरू हो गई ये दोनों. And this is how it looks from the place we came out. So this is how it looks. So यहाँ पे आप देख रहे हो, that is the main place we are going to explore now. और बीच बीच में we are clicking the pictures because it's really beautiful here. अगर थोड़े सुबह आते तो और भी नेचर फ्रेंडली होता एंड इट यूड सीन मोर ग्रीनरी, बट दीज टू आर एंजॉयिंग इन देयर ओन वे. स्नैपचैट के लिए वो पिक्चर्स ले रहे हैं स्नैपचैट में एंड दे आर बोथ लाइक cool dudes with pics. They're trying out new things in the new filters in usme. So yes, this is where we are actually going now. That is the main place of this main attraction of this place. तो ये है open cafe. So actually they have many sections here. So यहाँ पे भी आप देख सकते हो wall painting is really superb. और यहाँ पे भी एक building है. I think the cooking and all is done there. And yes, we are clicking pictures. और ये है DJ Corner. And you can see Appu का photo also. So DJ Corner में अभी कोई DJ नहीं है, but they have put the songs and यहाँ पे grill ready हुआ है. So you can see the griller is on and whatever they order they'll do on this grilling and they'll bring it. So this is a private hall again. So if you want to throw a party, private party, or if you want to have a get together or a office meet or something like that inside, so you can book that and you can be there. So यहाँ पे open space में बहुत सारे tables लगे हुए हैं. As I said before, it used to be very crowded place due to hookah, but जब से hookah बंद हुआ है, most of the cafes look like this only now in Bangalore. So yes, this is a Sunday and that was more surprising that Sunday पे इतना कम लोग दिख रहे हैं यहाँ पे. And as we had come bit early, we thought okay, maybe crowd will come later. Because बारिश भी हो रही है, so that is one more reason. And you can see very cute wall paintings here. थोड़े बहुत paint निकला है because rain. And as you can see, it's very spacious and very nice and comfortable. Tables लगे हुए हैं and they have canopies also. If you don't want to sit openly, you can bit थोड़ा प्राइवेट बट ओपनली स्पेस में ये रहेगा. देन यू कैन सिट इन दिस कैनपीज. दे हैव अराउंड 4 canopies on each side and a bit privacy you will get, like if you want to sit here with your own family like that. और यहाँ पे जनाब ये cat actually it is roaming around and I think waiting for its food or something like that, and it's enjoying its view. And we are clicking pictures. जो वॉल पेंटिंग्स यहाँ पे बनाया गया है, इट्स रियली सुपर्ब, फैब. सो दिस मेन कैनोपी इज द मेन अट्रैक्शन ऑफ दिस कैफे. सो इट्स अ वेरी बिग टेंट टाइप ऑफ कैनोपी. तो दैट इज द सेंटर ऑफ दिस कैफे. सो यहाँ पे मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम actually you can see crowd sitting and in between they have the main logo of them. Yes, and there are other paintings also to be explored here, as you can see. So this is Johnny Depp's पायरेट्स ऑफ कैरिबियन लुक। तो बहुत ही अच्छा, जो भी जिसने भी इसको किया है पेंटिंग्स, it has done very fab job. And as I said, hookah था तो they have the hookah picture as well, but I admire this artist, whoever has done this. It's really nice. And यहाँ पे है the tiger. So tiger looked really nice, so we wanted to click pictures with tiger. Or we came inside the tent and you can see life with filter. तो उसके नीचे there are horses which has been lit. So we finally decided we'll sit here after inspecting all the places, because it felt like a safe place to sit if the rain starts, because पता नहीं अगर बाद में बहुत सारे लोग आ गए तो we can't shift from open space to this, because it might get occupied, as already you can see some people were sitting there. So we decided we'll sit in the canopy, and we just wanted to click few more pictures here and there. And हमारा जो ये आर्टिस्ट का मास्टर्स पीस थे, सो उसके सामने भी we wanted some pictures. And yes, canopy looked really nice and beautiful with all these stars hanging around. Actually पहले हमें लगा कि we should sit in this canopy, but later we felt, because as you can see it's already rained and all the tables were wet, we thought kids are there, so they might get cold sitting in the open and in those canopies. So we decided we'll sit here. So this is a very nicely decorated space, और यहाँ पे भी बहुत सारे tables लगे हुए हैं. So we thought we'll sit there, because there was a plug point. Then we understood it was not working, so we shifted. So बहुत ही बड़ा cafe है. If you are a really nature lover and if you like sitting in very calm and peaceful place with no disturbance, you want your own privacy, a bit of like that, then you can come here. It's really beautiful, and we have already ordered our food and we are waiting and doing some time pass here. So this is the menu, and I'm just going through what all we can order again. So यहाँ पे है हमारा Oreo milk shake और other milk shake, and you can see it's fine and nice. And we have ordered fully loaded nachos as well. So यहाँ पे अगर if you're thinking what will be the food option, it is simple like any other cafes, with these nachos, fries and those things. And there is a bit of non-veg also, like chicken and those things, but there is no main course. You can have pasta or noodles like that. Roti ये सब नहीं मिलता है. And surprisingly there is no pizza also, so that was a bit more surprising. And yes, whatever a normal cafe serves, you will have that. जैसे कि हमने pasta order की, so this is how penne pasta looks. So yes, a bit of less options I felt, but whatever they served was good, so it's fine. And we had ordered one more steak with rice. So steak, you can see how it is looking with veggies, fried mushrooms and pepper bell, tomatoes and rice. और ये जो सॉस है ये पनीर के साथ फिल्ड है. सो yes, it was nice, tasty, and this was how main course you can say you can have here. So yes, it was nice and tasty. Yes, okay, I felt. बारिश भी ज़्यादा शुरू हो गई. We had ordered one more recipe like paneer achari barbecue, but that by the time they served it was late, so we told him to pack. But जैसे कि हमने सोचा जाएंगे, so it started raining, and we did a good decision sitting inside the canopy, so we had to wait for a long time. Maybe that is the reason very less crowd was there, because everyone knew it's going to rain a lot, so they might have not come much. But anyways, we though enjoyed it, and if you really want to enjoy with your friends and group, you can come here and you can have a very good nice thing. And there is no alcohol to enjoy beer or something. You should have only drinks like shakes and all that. Anyways, but it's a good place to visit. एक और branch भी है. Let's see. Thanks for watching.